TikTok is a social media platform that allows users to create and share short-form videos, typically between 15 seconds and 1 minute in length. The platform is particularly popular among younger generations, with a majority of users being between the ages of 16 and 24. One of the main appeals of TikTok is its wide range of content, which includes everything from comedic skits and lip syncs to dance challenges and DIY tutorials. The platform's algorithm also does a good job of curating content, showing users videos that are likely to be of interest to them based on their browsing history and interactions with other users. One of the most popular features on TikTok is the challenge feature, which allows users to participate in viral challenges set by other users. These challenges often involve a specific song or dance move, and many users will create their own versions of the challenge and post them to the platform. This feature has helped to create a sense of community and creativity on the platform, with users constantly coming up with new and creative ways to participate in challenges. TikTok also has a built-in editing feature that allows users to easily add effects and filters to their videos, as well as a duet feature that allows users to collaborate on videos with other users. These features have helped to make the platform a popular choice for creators and influencers who often use the platform to showcase their talents and reach a wider audience. However, TikTok has also faced its fair share of controversy, particularly with regards to data privacy and national security. In 2019, the U.S. government placed a ban on the platform, citing concerns that the app's Chinese parent company, ByteDance, could use it to gather data on U.S. citizens. The ban was later lifted, but the platform continues to face scrutiny over data privacy and security issues. Despite this, TikTok continues to be one of the most popular social media platforms in the world, with over 1 billion active users globally. The platform has also become a major player in the entertainment industry, with many musicians and celebrities using the platform to promote their work and connect with fans. In conclusion, TikTok is a social media platform that has become extremely popular among younger generations. Let's start the main topic. That's why you clicked this video. How to go viral on TikTok. Going viral on TikTok can be a challenging task, as there are millions of users creating and sharing content on the platform every day. However, there are a few strategies that can increase your chances of going viral. Create unique and engaging content. Make sure your videos stand out by coming up with creative and original ideas. Try to be different and come up with content that is not being replicated by others. Also, make sure your videos are well edited and visually appealing. Use popular hashtags. Research and use popular hashtags that are relevant to your content. This will help increase the visibility of your videos to a wider audience. Participate in challenges. TikTok challenges are a great way to gain exposure and increase your followers. Look for popular challenges and create your own unique spin on them. Collaborate with other users. Collaborating with other users can help increase your reach on the platform. Look for other users with similar interests and work together on a video. Post consistently. Be consistent with your posting schedule and try to post new videos regularly. This will help keep your followers engaged and increase your chances of being discovered by new users. Engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages from your followers, and take the time to interact with other users on the platform. Building a community around your content can help increase your reach and engagement. Optimize your profile. Make sure your profile is complete and includes a clear bio and a link to your website or other social media accounts. This will help users find and follow you more easily. It's important to remember that going viral on TikTok takes time and effort. Keep creating and posting content, engage with your followers, and be patient. With consistency and hard work, you'll increase your chances of going viral on TikTok. If you love your nation, then please hit the subscribe button that gives me motivation to make new informative videos to you. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.